Hi there, my name's Aaron Lanchman. I'm a professor of electrical and computer engineering at Georgia Tech. In the spring 2022 semester, when I was working on my guitar amplification and effects class, I poked around YouTube to see what other related content was out there. I found things like Josh Scott's JHS Pedals channel, which I really enjoy. If you're watching this, you probably already know about Brian Wampler's channel. I particularly like it because Brian will show schematics and build stuff on the breadboard. But you may not know about Erito Suzuki's channel. Erito's channel has just under 500 subscribers at the time that I'm recording this, and he deserves a whole lot more. He shows schematics, he builds stuff on the breadboard, he does all sorts of cool tests and comparisons, and in addition to discussing effects pedals, he also has a lot of tube amplifier material. So, I think you should go binge watch his videos like they're the latest season of Stranger Things, and you should also go click on his subscribe button. And if you know of a little-known YouTube channel that has all sorts of cool schematics and scope plots and breadboard experiments that I should check out, let me know in the comments below.